What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? This is Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I am coming to you talking about Baker Creek seeds, okay? Okay! These seeds came from Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company. And this is my second batch, you guys. This is the second batch of seeds that I've gotten from them. This is their 2020 seed catalog. And it's packed with all types of stuff, okay? They got all types of seeds, you guys. So, I did do a video when I got my first batch. So, I said I'm going to tune you in on what to expect. First of all, when you get your book, go ahead and order that, rareseeds.com. If you have not done so, get your book of Baker Creek Seeds. And this is the packaging. It comes in. They give you some coupons on the back for some onions, watermelon, and strawberries. And you just click out this little coupon here and mail it on back in. So yeah, this is the front of the envelope. And I guess it depends on how much you order on how your packaging is. So I'm going to give you a warning. Don't get on that website and go crazy, y'all. Okay? Because it's very easy to do. You can be clicking and clicking and clicking, and them $3 start adding up. Some things are $2.50, some things are $4, and some things are $5, just depending on what it is. But most of everything is $3. So be careful. Don't get excited. Don't bite off more than you can chew. And when you think about planting a whole bunch of seeds, you got to remember, where are you going to put these plants when they grow? Okay? So, I love you guys. You're the best. Thanks again for getting us to 1,000 subscribers, you guys. That is awesome. I got the email today. I hope you follow me on Facebook, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome. Also, check out my Facebook page, Skinny Boy Farms, Randy. Yeah, Skinny Boy Randy Farms. Check that out. Okay, so this is, like I said, my second batch of seeds. And this total order was $17.25. So I wanted to keep it under 20 bucks. Okay? So I did that. I kept it under 20 bucks, and they offer free shipping. So you don't have to worry about shipping or anything. And I don't know why I keep looking at this other camera, because it's not even recording. So sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Don't you love getting seeds? Don't you just love getting seeds? Thank you, Lord, for the seed. Hallelujah. Thank you, God. Okay, so today I have some Chinese 5-color peppers. We're going to try these. Oh, this is the one I was excited about. I think this one was like $4 or $5 because it's the Easter basket mix radish. Now, y'all, last year when I started my garden, I accidentally dropped a pack of seeds of radish along the outskirts of my garden. Look, every seed came up beautiful, beautiful. And I have a picture of it. If you go to my Facebook page, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, you'll see my radish. And for some reason, over here at this new house, I cannot get these radishes to grow to save my life. I got some out there now, some turnips, so I'm not going to give up. I'm not going to give up, Lord. But I don't know. I know radishes don't need a lot. I accidentally dropped the seeds, and then I just went on ahead and moved the dirt around. Radish everywhere. Now, when I'm trying to grow them, I can't get a single daggone radish, y'all. Okay. But yeah, this is the radish Easter basket mix. Yep. And I think it said it was about 750 seeds. Wow, that's a lot, you guys. I may have to make a whole area in the backyard for these. Okay, and then I also wanted to try this sweet onion. Yellow sweet Spanish onions. Okay. Then we have some yellow pear tomato. I thought these were interesting looking. And this, oh no, I didn't order these. These were free. Oh yeah, you guys, they give you a free pack of seeds with every order, you guys. These are my free pack. Last time they gave me the butter crunch lettuce. They gave me some yellow pear tomatoes. These look really cool. You see that, you guys? The shape. They look like a pear, but they're tomatoes. Wow. Interesting. And then I just wanted to try these huge gubanella peppers. Gubanella peppers. I like to make a fresh pizza and dice some of these up fine and put on there. And then finally, I got the Brazilian starfish. I love the way these look. I'm not sure how they're going to taste, but we're going to see. They say they're quite sweet. And all of their seeds on the back, it tells you this, how long it takes to germinate, sprouts in, and it tells you how many days they sprout. And then they tell you about the ideal temperature, the seed depth, plant spacing, and then they tell you if it's frost hardy, whether or not it can take the frost, yes or no. It'll say yes or no. And the last thing they tell you, minimum full sun. And it gives you how many hours you should keep it in the sun. Okay, you guys? So there you have it. Our Baker Creek seeds. And of course, you know I'm gonna make a video on when I plant these, you guys. And also be looking out for the avocado video. I'm about to put that in a pot because the root has reached the bottom of the glass. And I'll make a video on that as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. You are the best. Remember, click like and subscribe. Click the bell. Share the video. I love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow, stop, and eat it. I love you guys. You're the best.